What industries have the highest fatality rates? If you're curious about which jobs are the most dangerous, you're about to find out. Let's take a closer look at the industries where workplace fatalities are most common. When we talk about workplace fatalities, we're looking at the number of deaths per 100,000 full-time workers. This gives us a clear picture of which industries are the riskiest. One of the most hazardous industries is agriculture, forestry, and fishing. These jobs involve working with heavy machinery, navigating rough terrain, and dealing with unpredictable weather conditions. The fatality rate here is quite high, standing at 23.5 deaths per 100,000 workers. This is because workers in these fields often face dangers like accidents with farm equipment, drowning, and even attacks by animals. Another highly risky sector is mining, quarrying, and oil and gas extraction. Here, the fatality rate is 16.6 per 100,000 workers. Workers in this industry are exposed to hazards such as explosions, falls, and being trapped in collapsed mines or drilling sites. Transportation and warehousing also have a high fatality rate, with 14.1 deaths per 100,000 workers. This includes jobs like truck driving, where long hours on the road increase the risk of accidents, and warehouse work, where heavy lifting and machinery can be dangerous. Construction is another industry with a significant number of fatalities, at 9.6 deaths per 100,000 workers. Construction sites are filled with hazards like falling objects, scaffolding collapses, and accidents with power tools. The petrochemical industry, particularly upstream onshore operations, also has a high fatality rate of 9.8 deaths per 100,000 workers. This is due to the hazardous nature of working with chemicals and the risk of explosions. In addition, industries like protective services, installation, maintenance, and repair also have higher than average fatality rates. For protective services, the rate is 10.2 deaths per 100,000 workers, often due to violent encounters. For installation, maintenance, and repair, the rate is 8.8 deaths per 100,000 workers, largely because of accidents with machinery and falls. Understanding these statistics can help us appreciate the risks that many workers face every day and highlight the importance of workplace safety measures. These industries require strict safety protocols and continuous training to minimize the risks and protect the lives of workers.